Hey everyone, I wanted to talk about this impact socket set from Vevor. This was sent to me to check out, so I'm doing a quick unboxing here. But as you can tell, this set is impact drive ready. It's made from high quality alloy steel. You have all the different sizes there, everything from 3/4 inch all the way up to 2.5 inch. These are strong and very durable. This has a 3/4 inch socket drive, as you can see there. Great for any kind of heavy construction applications, farm equipment, all types of industrial applications. You see here that they have the 6-point design with rounded edges to protect the application you're working on. But these things are nice, strong. You can see here that they have laser etching, but it's also stamped as well, which is very nice to have. All the different sizes from 3/4 inch. You have your 13/16 here, 7/8, 15/16, 1 inch, all the way up as you can see. So you have everything you need in the set. Comes in a nice carrying case. This does have some weight in it because this is all high grade steel here. So everything you need. This has been getting good reviews about the quality. Comes in this nice case here that you can just latch and close up and carry it on your way. Well, I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.